Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Talk Time. Today, we are going to practice some easy and useful English conversations. Let's start.
Hi, Wilma. What are you buying today?
Hi, Tom. I need some fruits and vegetables.
Which fruits do you like?
I love apples and bananas.
Nice choice. Do you need any vegetables?
Yes, I need carrots and potatoes.
How about some tomatoes?
Good idea. I'll take a few.
Do you want some snacks too?
Maybe some chips.
Okay. Let's go to the snacks aisle.
Great. Oh, here are the chips.
Do you like spicy or plain?
Spicy, please.
Perfect. Let's go to the cashier. Hi, Wilma. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, Tom. I'm going to the city.
Me too. Do you know what time the bus comes?
I think it comes at 9:30.
Oh, it's already 9:25.
Yes, it should be here soon.
How much is the ticket?
It's $2 per person.
Do you have cash?
Yes, I have. Do you?
I only have a card.
Don't worry, you can pay with the card too.
That's good.
Look, the bus is coming.
Great. Let's get on.
Hi, Tom. Did you finish your homework?
Not yet. It was really hard.
Yes, especially the math part.
I stayed up late trying to solve it.
Did you ask the teacher for help?
Not yet, but I will today.
What class do we have next?
We have English.
Oh, good. I like English class.
Me too. The teacher is really nice.
Are you ready for the exam next week?
Not really. I need to study more.
Let's study together after class.
Great idea. That will help me a lot.
Okay, let's go to class now.
Hi, Wilma. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Let's go inside this restaurant.
Okay, it looks nice.
Good evening. Table for two? Yes, please. Here is the menu.
Thank you. What should I order?
I want some pasta.
I think I'll take a pizza.
Would you like something to drink? Yes. Orange juice for me.
And water for me, please.
Okay. Your order will be ready soon. Great. I can't wait.
Hi, Tom. What are you doing here?
Just walking for exercise.
That's nice. I came here to relax.
Do you often come to the park?
Yes, almost every weekend.
Do you like jogging?
Sometimes, but mostly I like walking.
I like to play basketball in the park.
Oh, really? That sounds fun.
Yes, it keeps me healthy.
I usually bring a book and read here.
That's a good habit.
Look, the flowers are so beautiful today.
Yes, spring makes everything fresh.
Let's walk together for a while.
Hi, Wilma. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to London.
Wow, that's exciting.
Yes, but I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Do you know where the check-in counter is?
Yes, it's over there.
Great. I need to check in my luggage.
How many bags do you have?
Just one suitcase.
That's easy then.
What time is your flight?
Mine is at 3 p.m.
Mine is at 2:30 p.m.
Okay, let's check in together and wait at the lounge.
Hi, Tom. Why are you at the hospital?
I'm not feeling well.
Oh no. What's wrong?
I have a headache and fever.
Did you see the doctor?
Not yet. I'm waiting.
I hope it's nothing serious.
Me too. I think it's just the flu.
Drink more water and rest.
Yes, I will.
Do you need medicine?
The doctor will give me some soon.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Thanks, Wilma.
Get well soon.
Hi, Wilma. What are you doing at the bank?
I'm here to open a new account.
That's good. Do you need help?
Maybe. The form looks difficult.
Don't worry. I can help you fill it.
Thank you. Do you have an account here?
Yes, I opened one last year.
How was the process?
It was easy. Just some documents needed.
Oh, I brought my ID and address proof.
Perfect. That's all you need.
Do they also give ATM cards?
Yes, you will get one in a few days.
That's good to know.
Don't worry. It will be simple.
Hi, Tom. Welcome home.
Hi, Wilma. What are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner.
Wow. It smells delicious.
Thanks. Do you want to help me?
Sure. What should I do?
Please cut these vegetables.
Okay. What are we making today?
We're making fried rice.
Yum. That's my favorite.
Do you want soup too?
Yes, that would be great.
After dinner, let's watch a movie.
Perfect idea.
Okay, dinner will be ready soon.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Talk Time for more fun English lessons.